Okay.
Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Uh, Subscribe, like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. I am going to shoot vlog of 5 minutes. I will let you explore the nature of lakeside of Pokhara. This Pokhara lakeside have many crowds, and all people are engaging in boating, engaging in photography, videography, engaging in reels making, and let's explore. I will let you see the lakeside of Pokhara. अब देख लो दोस्तों, ये हो जाएगा अपना ब्लॉग. अब एकछिन पज गर्नु नि, म यताको भनिदिन्छु. यताको अलिकति मबाट बोल्छु एक्चुली. लास्टमा म अलिकति बोल्छु है.
कता बोल्नुहुन्छ?
यतातिर बोल्छु.
ल जानुपर्छ न जानु.
एकछिन लास्टमा के लास्टको 30 सेकेन्ड चाहिँ भने
ए ल.
30 सेकेन्ड हामीले इन्ड गरिदिन्छु. अनि ब्लग अगाडि इन्ट्रोडक्सनदेखि इन्डसम्म राम्रो हुन्छ. मैले ब्लग बनाउनु जुम गरेर नि छिटो देखाइदिनु. अनि त्यो फकहरू होइन, जुम गरेर उताको फकहरू पनि देखाइदिनु. अनि त्यसपछि परेको त्यो अलिकति सनको एल्लो एल्लो भ्यू आइरहेको छ नि, त्यो पनि देखाइदिनु. उता बराबर एल्लो एल्लो भ्यू आइरहेको छ नि. अनि त्यो माथिको बिल्डिङ देखिरहेको छ नि, त्यो पनि अलिअलि जुम गरेर देखाइदिनु कि त्यो बल्ल.
मौसम हेर्नु न, मौसम हेर्नु न, त्यस्तोमा कहाँ देखिन्छ त नि.
सही भ्यू आउने भनेको यस्तोमै हो नि त.
यस्तै हो ब्रदर, मौसम आउँदैन क्या.
अनि यतातिर पनि अलिअलि खिचिदिनु. यहाँ हिमाल अलिअलि देखिरहेको छ सँगसँगै.
ल ब्रदर बोल्न तयार गर्ने यता आउनु. ल ब्रदर बोल्न, कता बोल्नु?
म यहाँ बोल्छु.
ल
एकछिन पज गर्नु अनि बोल्छु.
पज हुँदैन क्या, बोलिहाल्नु न.
दोस्तों, मैं नौकरी गई भाड़ में, हम चले पहाड़ में, हम चले लेक साइड पर. दिखा दूँ तुझे हिमाल का व्यू. उधर देखो, हिमाल का व्यू देख ले. लेट्स सी द व्यू ऑफ माउंटेन्स ऑफ माछापुछरे. It's a short trek to reach long village. Welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe my channel and share का बटन दबा दो. It's a short trek to reach the long village. It's off-road way to reach long village. This is the we start to walk to reach the long village. Here are big stones that are found in this way. This is the nature of long way between this open यही छ इधर का पता नहीं. This is hope you will like, subscribe and share my channel. I will say all the things that are found in this video. I will let you know about the trek between the to reach the between the long village. This is a harsh walk to reach the long village. There are big stones, moors and branches of the tree in the jungle. Here are big trees. This is our natural resources. We should protect these natural resources, protect tree, plant tree in birthday of every people. Then our natural resources will always increase, and we should protect, conserve and preserve these natural resources. This is the way the people live in this area, do hard work for the living. They cut down trees to make firewood. They construct the road to run the daily life and to use money to run daily life. This is good natural resources of this Nepal. This is the natural resources of our country. Hope you will like, subscribe and share my channel. And then
hi guys, I'm taking over to Prem's YouTube channel, and this is our friends, and this is Prem. Say hi.
hi.
उसलाई इङ्ग्लिस बोल्नु आउँदैन, जबरजस्ती इङ्ग्लिस बोल्छ है. लिग थ्याङ्क यू.
I know English perfectly, but she is taking me as a joke. But I know I am effective in English.
Yes, you are very good English.
This is the
USA in 6 months.
this is the harsh reality of mine.
Guys, Prem's best friend is coming from that way. Prem Dulan.
No, this is not my best friend. This is the animal. This is our national animal. We should respect the national animal. This is my vlog. Our friends are walking behind the road. This is a good our structure of natural resources of Nepal. good. This is good for us that we found that much natural resources in our country. We have to walk to reach the long village because bus or Scorpio or that cannot go to long village. That's why we need to walk to reach
The vehicles can go to Long Village, but the teacher think that we should do hiking.
No. Teacher think that we are being lazy. That's why teacher telling me to. See, he is laughing because he know that I know English very well.
Yes. Yes, right. Right, you're right.
This,
Actually, yes, sugar mommy, 26 years old American girl.
no, I have not sugar mommy. I am just at talking phase, but I want girl because to share feeling and to fulfill my aloneness. I don't need to make girlfriends off at all.
I think the girl who will be Prem's girlfriend will be very lucky because he's very rich.
If I am rich, why I am doing your vlog? This is my harsh reality.
Harsh reality.
She is breathless now because she don't walk. इतना सभी walk नहीं करता इसलिए वो breathless कर रहा है. Breathless कर रहा है. Breathless. But no, I'm not like everyone. I'm walking and I'm carrying big bag of mine one because
Very big.
because I am not lazy. I'm always go to walk or hike all day.
Or day.
That's why I don't need to suffocate in this moment.
तिम्रो जति इङ्ग्लिसले तिमी 3 महिनामा पुग्छ अमेरिका.
He is running, but he will be breathless in that moment.
Not breathless, birthless.
Breathless moment will be achieved by Rose
Yes.
because he cannot even walk.
You are not running because you are not.
Because if I am doing vlog, then why should I run? Because if I run, it will be
सास लिगा पहिला सास लिगा.
take down into a camera. That's why इसलिए मैंने ये सब नहीं तोड़ा है मैंने.
रोज दाई देखो रोज दाई. रोज दाई. Breathless people रे. म चाहिँ birthless.
If I have a bike, then I will go maximum speed I can accelerate. दोस्तों तल नीचे का लोग सब गेंदा फूले.
तो आप कौन सा फूल है?
मैं तो
कमल का फूल.
प्रेम के भन सम्राटलाई
I can reach goal faster than you.
I can use goal faster than you.
No, I am doing vlog.
क्यामेरा देऊ न तिम्रो रेसिली भने
No. Vlog बनाइरहेको छु.
त्यही भने
दोस्तों
रेसिली भने तिम्रो म म बनिरहेको छु कि This is the guy. This is the guy that have been breathless now.
Documentary of Luang.
What? Netflix? Netflix मा आएगा जरुर आएगा.
Netflix Prime Video है. Amazon सबैतिर आउँछ नि.
Only fans मा आउँछ कि हैन?
G5.
Only fans मा आउँछ. Only glitch मा आउँछ. Glitch मा आउँछ. Only glitch? Glitch मा त हैन. Glitch. म त के छ भन्नु. ओइ त्यहाँ हेर्दै पछाडी. This is the mountain of our country and we are proud of this country because it have many much natural resources.
Same time.
This is Machapuzre. Himal.
यो माछा पुछ्यो मुलाउनु के हो माछा पुछ्यो.
This is Machapuzre. अनि यो. That is what I do not know.
साथी यार तिमी पछाडी गएर सबैको यस्तो गर के सबै हिँडिरा
हुँदैन
यतादेखि बनाऊ मुला
बाटो चाहिँ एकदम खत्तम छ मलाई नदेखाउन एकछिन यस्तो उचालोमा फ्ल्यास बाला छ फ्ल्यास अफ गर्दै त हुन मे This is our structure of road. We cannot even go and with transportation facilities. Yes. बोल चुका हूँ मैं जितना कुछ बोलना था उतना बोल दिया ना है ना मैंने I am now feeling tireless because I have always walked long enough now. Yesterday we reached Pokhara and stay at Tugi Resort, but now today we are going to reach Long Village and staying at homestay. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल क्योंकि मेरा वीडियो मैंने मेहनत से बनाया है इसलिए मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. अब मैं आपको बहुत फैमिली समझता हूँ इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ अपना चैनल का फैमिली बनना चाहते हो तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. There is that guy that he has been tired enough. But I can even walk hours and hours because I am doing regular exercises, running and cardiovascular activities all day, playing a chess and doing boxing at home. इसलिए मेरे को टायर्ड फील नहीं हो रहा है. मैं जितना भी चाहूँ उतना भी चल सकता हूँ, चल रहा हूँ मैं. इसलिए बोलता हूँ मेरी मेहनत ज़्यादा है इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल बोल रहा हूँ. This is a good insight of our country. Our country is rich in natural resources. That's why I'm going to explain about the natural resources of our country. Our natural resources have lots of benefits like natural herbs, natural soaps, and medicinal herbs like plants, etc. That's why our country is rich in natural resources. It has been proved that there are more and more natural herbs and soaps in our country. This is the way to reach the long village. Yes, this is Machapuchre Himal of our country. This is the way. This is a field that farmers are harvesting the rice, barley, etc. And this is the wastage of rice plant. This is the pebbles and big stones. It is off-road way to reach the long village, etc. and etc. Okay, it's a long talk between you audience and me. This is why I am always saying to like and subscribe my channel. This is the plants that are found in this Nepal. Yeah, it's good enough to know about much about our country. I am proud of my country, and I will do blog inside always and always for the exploration of natural resources of our country.